Hello crafters and welcome back to Kraft's Kalaa. Today we'll be making a beautiful card. Start by taking a blank sheet of paper and fold it into a half to form a square. Then take a printed page and cut it a bit smaller than the folded card. Now take a stencil. I'm using a heart here. Take a stencil, draw out the edges and cut that portion of the printed page. Now take a colored chart sheet and paste it onto the main greeting. Now take a thin cardboard and cut out thin rectangles. Paste these thin rectangles on the back side of the printed stencil cutout paper. Now paste all of this on the colored chart sheet. This will give a lifted look and will add more definition. Now take a thread and pass it through the greeting and tie a knot to give it a more beautiful look. Adjust it accordingly to form a bow. Now from the same colored chart paper, cut out small heart shapes. 2 would be enough. Now paste the two sides of the heart to each other and open it. And now paste it on the greeting card. Now from the same colored chart sheet, cut out a random shape. I chose to cut out a rectangle. Now write your favorite letter. I chose to write the word U with a cute heart on it. Now paste it on the knot. From the previously cut stencil, take it and stick it on the inside of the card. And there you have it, a beautiful, cute and easy card. You can experiment by writing letters and pasting photos on the inside.